It was a beautiful night. It started off as a great, beautiful night. Everything was fine until the cops got there. We weren't coming there for any type of drama, but to have fun. This is my release day. Me and my wife, we entered the party. Everything was grand. Everybody's getting in position. I get behind the turntables and start DJing, and Evil D, myself, a couple other cats are DJing, Beat Miners, Wayne Ski, and we start performing. And, you know, after the performance, we're talking to the crowd. Everybody's really excited and having a good time.
A lot of old friends, a lot of new friends were there, so the vibe was very, you know, energetic, mature, and it seemed like the total exact opposite was going on outside.
My friend of mine is standing right here at the side of the stage, and we started hearing a lot of melee and stuff like that. Cops came darting in the club. They sprayed pepper spray to get people to move.
We were rushed by police, we were maced by police, we were pushed, shoved, and some even beaten by police.
And they came in, started beating people up, pulling their batons, beating people over the head with it, throwing people on the floor, pummeling people with their fists, women too. I mean, it was crazy. And then it spilled out into the front of the club, and it was like 80 cops outside. And they pushed my wife, and someone alerted me of that, and I ran outside to their aid. And I told the cop, do not hurt my wife. That's my wife and my stepdaughter. Please do not hurt her. And he was telling me to get off the block, or he's gonna throw me in the car, he's gonna arrest me. And I just stood back and kept quiet and watched and made sure that they didn't put no more hands on my people.
Gabriel Diaz and Louis Pena were the two that were injured pretty badly. Louis not as bad. Gabriel looks like he has some serious physical issues that he's gonna have to contend with. He has skull injuries, he has neck injuries, he has arm, leg injuries, he's bruising, he has a full boot print on the front of his face. Pretty bad, pretty banged up.
They arrested her, and they had her in cuffs in the cell. Didn't even take the cuffs off of her and took the cuffs off of everybody else. They did this to a female, a 24-year-old female. Because, check this out, none of those cops would even stand for their mother getting pushed around in the street by some dirty cops. We weren't coming there for any type of drama, but to have fun. This is my release day. You know, we were happy and excited, like, wow, this is our release. We're gonna go and get, you know, we was just had love in our hearts going in there. And, you know, it just turned out to be all bad when the police got involved. Hey, this is going on in the street. Don't think everything is sweet. You know, watch them police, because they got it out for people. You know, just make sure you cross your T's and your I's. Man. Dot your I's, cross your T's. It's the world we in today, man. You know what I mean? I never thought I'd find myself in the middle of this, but you know, I'm here for the support of the other families now. My people are released, but I'm here to help the other families get through it, you know?